Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about MOOCsHUB, which is a platform on which you can create your own MOOCs. So before going to that platform, let's understand what you should be ready. You should be ready with what you should be ready with. So the first thing is you should be ready with your topic or subject on which you want to create your own work. And identify the topic and subject. Second, uh, you divide your topic subject into different sections, subsections, and units. So, suppose you have some topic, you will have to divide it into sections, different sections, and further, this section should be divided into subsections, and subsections will contain different units. So, the unit is the last point where you will add your content, and this content can be in full content format. So it can have videos, it can have some study material, reading material, some other kind of e-content, and you can have discussion forums if it requires, and it can have some kind of assessment. Assessment can have some MCQ, descriptive assignments, etc. So let me take an example. So suppose I'm picking up paper from subject syllabus. Any So suppose this is a syllabus, so you can say that these are the sections. Introduction is the section number 1, growth of the function section number 2, recurrence 3, and so on, graph theory, proposition, or these are the sections, and these are subsections here. So you can say this is a one section, subsection number 1, this can be section number 2, even you can merge few of them and make one subsection. And after that, under these subsections, you can have your unit where you will add uh, different contents. So maybe videos, maybe content, as I said, and along with videos and content, you can have discussion forums and assessment for a particular subsection. So quiz or evaluation assessment should be for one subsection. Okay, so this is going to be the format. So you will have to divide this before going to the platform. So this is step number 1, where you will have to identify your topic, syllabus, and you put it into different sections, subsections, etc. Now the second step would be you will have to go to this website, MOOCsHUB.com. So here, MOOCsHUB.com, you will find there are 2 buttons, login and register. So if you are using it for the first time and you want to create your for the first time, then you will have to click on this register. And if you have already created, or if you want to make some changes, or avail other facilities, then you will have to click on login. So for the first time user, you will have to click on register. For the first time, as a user, I will click on this. Here you will find all these fields: username, email ID, password, organization name, domain, and sign up button. You can also upload your logo, which is optional. So if you want to have logo of your institute, then you have to click on this tool bar. So username, you will have to remember this username. So pick it wisely. So this is similar to like your username of any social sites like Facebook or any other social LinkedIn or any other social site. So click on this one. So username will be, for example, if I choose Nikhil Raj 123. Uh, just remember this. You can note down this because it will be useful when you want to access your dashboard. Okay, so this is going to the username, email ID. So we see the 2024 password. Okay, so this username and this password will be required to log into their MOOCsHUB dashboard. Okay, so remember this one should be, you will have to remember this one. Remember this email ID because this you will have to use while creating your organization name. You can write anything, your institute name or any board. So suppose RCTU. This is a short form of Foundation College State University. So I'm using this one, domain. So this is going to the your books website where you will share it with your students. Okay. Okay. So this you will share with your students. So we just to recap, please make sure that your username and password, this will be required to for your MOOCsHUB dashboard. Okay, your email ID and this password will be required for your studio website where you will put all your content. You can say you will design your MOOCs in the studio platform. Here you will have other kind of facilities like for updating on the create your platform or other things. And this domain which is there, this one, this is going to be the website which you will share with your students or participants. Those will register here and they can see the contents. So suppose I say RCTU or any kind of thing. This is the site which you will share with RCTU in my case. So okay, sub.io RCTU C CTU sub.io. So this is for your students or the participants of your course. Okay, this link you will share with your students or people who wants to register for your course. And this email ID and password, this you will use to go to your studio web page where you will put all your contents or you will design your books here. And here using this you can access your dashboard. Okay, so there are three things which you will have to remember. One, two, and three. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now you have filled all the details here, and now you have to click on sign up. After this sign up, you will find an email in your inbox. So you can see this RC moves forward, verify your account, click on this link and click on confirm account. Okay, and again go back to your mail. You will receive one more mail, and here you will find this thank for signing up, and here you will find these two links here. Okay, so again, this link is under this two. This link is to access your studio website where you put all your contents, and this link is the site which you will share with your participants or students. So if I click on this, you can see this RCDU elbow which is there. This time this is showing secure, but this is definitely secure. So this is going to be the website of your MOOCs, the website which will be shared with the student. And clicking on this link, you will end up in the page where you will put all your contents. So there are two links here: rcdu.ergo.moocsub.io, which you will share with your students, and here in this studio you will put all your contents. Okay, so I'm clicking again on this link to go to my studio page. Here you will have to sign up because you want to put down contents here. Click on sign in, and write your email ID, password as I said earlier. Log into your studio account. Okay, so this is a studio account. Here you can create your course. You can have different courses under this platform. So either you can click here on this new course, or you can click on this if this is going to be your first course. Then otherwise you can click on this one if you are creating the your next course. So click on this link. Here your subject name should be there. So suppose I write algorithm. Organization name. Course number, you can assign any course number. It's your choice. If you have some kind of course number already there in your like any paper code or any kind of code number given by university, you can choose that one also. Otherwise you can give any code number. Course run is just an indication, so you can write like it is going to be 2022, say October 10. So select this and click on create. Okay, so after this one, now you can, if you remember, I started with like you have to put different contents here. So you will have to create different sections. So suppose I create this new section, and I will take this syllabus only. So section name will be like this. Introduction. And now new subsection. So say I select maybe this one, or maybe I can combine this on functions and relations. Functions and relations. Okay, so I have this section number 1, and this is subsection. And now to add content, I will have to click on this one. You can have different subsections in this section also. So suppose if I add new subsection here, and I can select any other, say this one, principles of the next version. Under this next subsection or this first subsection. Okay, so now I have one section and two subsection under this section. I can have another subsections further, or I can create another section also. So suppose I select this new section and I select, say, second section, growth of functions. This is the subsection. Let me add one subsection also. So say asymptotic operations. And so on. So now in this case, you can see I have two sections named introduction and growth functions. I have two subsections in my first section, functions and relations and principle of inclusion and exclusion, and one subsection under this asymptotic partition. You can divide, according to your syllabus, you can design that. And until now I have not added any content, because content can be added only under this unit. So you will have to select any subsection. So I select this one, functions and relations, and I select this one, new unit. Now under this unit you'll find there are 5 boxes here. Out of these, you can say these are the 4 quadrants. Video is the first quadrant, HTML, the e-content or the text content, the second quadrant. Discussion forum is the third quadrant, and this problem is the assessment, the fourth quadrant of your MOOC. There are 4 quadrants here. And you can choose any quadrant. So if you have video content related to this, then you can select this one. But before that, you will have to write the name here. So functions production, whatever you want to write the name of the unit, and I will select a video here. And now if you have your video ready with you and you have uploaded it on YouTube, then you can select that. So suppose go to YouTube. Try to find out. You can search for your channel, or you can select anything. So say under my channel, I will find out any video. Till now, I have not made any video related to the function. So maybe if I choose this anything creative commons license, I'm just for example doing this, and expecting this. So copy this link, go back here, click on edit, delete this default video URL and paste your link which you have copied, and click on save. So here you will see that my video is there, and now you will have to click on publish. Okay. And go back. For going back, you can click on content outline. now you can see under this section, under this subsection, I have added one unit, one video content, named functions introduction. Okay, so this is how you add a content. So you can add e-content for a particular topic also. So if you want to add e-content or some kind of PDF or any document related to this function simulation, you can add more unit. Or if you think that it's okay that you have a video and that's enough, then you can leave that. You can take that. So it's up to us whether we want to add more content related to particular topic or okay with adding a video content or anything. Okay. So suppose you want to add some kind of e-content related to this subsection, then you can do this and add new unit here. And as I said, if you want to add video, you have to click this button. And now, if you want to add some kind of e-content, some kind of written material, then you have to click on this HTML. And HTML, you have different things, but for simple text content, you will have to select this text. Okay, and you can rename this. So this is. So I will name this enter this one, and I have added this text. Again, you will have to edit this. You can write anything. You can copy paste from your Word document or anywhere else. So whatever you want to write here, you can write here. You can, you have different facilities, just like other word processing softwares. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, alignments, bullets, and so different tools are there. You can add image also. You can add any these HTML, but these are the things that you can do with this document. And again, you can copy and paste things also. And after that, you can click on save. Go back to your outline. We can see that we have added introduction section, and you have this video content in this subsection, and you have e-content in this section. So I will not publish this. You will have to click on this publish button here, or you have to publish everything. Okay, so this way you can add videos and you can add e-contents. Now let's go for the third quadrant, how to add a discussion forum. So for that, again, select this. And say like discussion. And so the third quadrant is discussion forum. Just click on this button and click on publish. That's it. Now, if I go back here, then you can see the discussion forum in this section also. So, what is discussion forum? Here, the participants of your course, they can write their queries, they can discuss anything, or you can give a topic for discussion also. So this is a offline kind of interaction between participants, and it is very peer-to-peer. Right? So participants can interact with each other, and they can raise any kind of queries, or they can discuss on a particular topic in the discussion forum. Now let's add the fourth quadrant here. So let me add the fourth quadrant in this subsection. So click on this unit. You can write like links or anything. Doing the assessment test, And here you will have to click on this thing. So we have used videos as the first quadrant. We have used HTML text for adding content. We have added discussion forum, and then let's add the fourth thing, model assessment. So we have different options here that you can go for different things, but for this today's session, so you would have to, I will show you how to add multiple choice questions. So click on multiple choice. So you can see this multiple choice question, and again you will have to click on edit. You can write any instruction here like attempt questions. Each question carry. And here you have to write your questions in between these two angular brackets. Anything. So you will have to write your questions between these two brackets, and you can write your answers here. So mathematical function here you can write like no. Sign. Job. Sign. So suppose the correct answer, so we have now four options here, and you will have to put this cross symbol against the correct answer. So in my case, this is the correct answer. So I will put okay, and this way you can add more than one question. So suppose I copy this and if I add this, change it, and you can write another question. Okay, so delete this and write another questions, another options, and so on. You can add as many questions as you want. Okay, so go below and you can have 4, 5, 10, 20 questions, as many expressions you want. Just make sure that you will have use of these symbols before and after your questions, and this is brackets before all the choices, and for the correct answer you have to place this cross. Okay, let me delete this one, and let's see how it looks to the audience. Click on save and go back to this content. Okay, so in this way you can see I've added sections, subsections, and the subsections we have added one video content, we have added discussion. So you can have other video contents, or other subsections or in the topic also. You can have you can have as many videos you want. You can have as many contents or discussions or quiz as you want. Let's make sure that this quizzes are one subsection is only one quiz. This way you can complete all your content following these steps. Now let's understand one other things also. So there are now you can see there are three drop down menus here. Content, in which we have got this outline. All of these in this session. Now let's understand these two. This setting. Okay, let me start with grading. So in grading, You can fix all your things like passing percentage. So if you want to make it 40 marks as a passing percentage, 50 marks as a passing percentage, you can fix it by dragging it button. You will have to save changes. Assignment type. So if you have different assignments left, because it is in the usually. So if you don't want it, you can delete it. Lab, delete, final exam, and midterm exam. So I can have only two things. So I will write this as quiz and this to be a final exam. So maybe I can go for this two only. And if you want to add more, then you can only do this new assignment type. And for this quiz, student here, application, weight of complete rate, let's say I say this 30 percentage weight, and for this the remaining 70%. Final exam. Here's the final exam. 70% weightage and 30% for this assignment. Okay, total number of quizzes. If there are 5 quizzes, you will write 5. If you have 10 quizzes, you will write 10. In my case, there is only 1 quiz, so I will write 1. Number of top papers. So if you want that, you want to give some kind of flexibility to your participant, then out of 10 you can go for 8 quizzes, or out of 10 you can go for 5 quizzes. Then you can write number of top papers saved. Otherwise, you can do it using final exam only one. There is going to be only one final exam, and the drops is 0. So this you can set all your assignment and click on the save chance. Now if you go back to your outline, see that this quiz you will have to click on this. You have to select this section part, so because the quiz is in this subsection, so select this configure, and you will have to select the configure. So you will have to opt that if the quiz under this belongs to quiz or final now, so basically quiz, you can put the last date of this quiz. So if I select this 22, this is turned on the time, so you have to make this time UTC. So 22 is the last date for submitting this quiz, and this is the last time, and save it. So you can see this under this section. So as I said earlier, also we will have to make sure that after one subsection only one quiz should be there. And which, if you want it to be automatically graded, you will have to configure it by clicking on this button, making it as grade as quiz and due date and quizzes. So this was about grading. Now let's understand about this schedules in details. So here you can put all the details. So the course is started. So if you want that course should be started, so you can specify the year, and the format of this date is like a month is first, and then the date is in between. So just make sure that you don't confuse. So this is January, and this is first. So suppose I want to use, we started from September 21. So today's date 9/21. Course and date. So say Tuesday, this one 2 days course. You can specify the time also, or you can do it. Government date. So when you want that student should register for this course, I can write it as today's date only. So you can differentiate it. Like you can have a movement date from today, and you can say that the course will start from tomorrow. So you can set the date accordingly. Enrollment and the date. So this one that it should be in today only. You can specify the time. Okay, this is going to be start date, and say this is going to be Other details like course short description, you can specify in few lines about the course, and here you can find the details of the course. So this is a HTML document. Just you can delete this whole part and you can put basic about the course, or if you want to play with this, then you will have to make sure that you don't delete any, or you don't interfere with this green color text or this blue text. You just have to change the content which is between these tags. This is paragraph tag, and you can delete the content in between these two tags, and you can describe how this course. I don't think this course is about this. Okay, and other description you can give about this. You can also like specify the staff member one. You can see this is the heading. You can write your name here in between these two tags and so on. So playing it with is a bit tricky. But if you don't want this text to be there, you can delete this whole part. And you can write some basics, simple things like this course is long-term. Whatever you want to write, you can write it here and can reduce it. So in this way, the course is now almost ready. If you have added all the contents and you have set all the dates and you have selected the grading and other things, now you can give the link and post to your students. Remember, you go back to your email ID, then you can give this link to your friends. I will open it in some So my institute name, I have selected the institute name to be it should be RCD. That's why the course is not there, but you will see that your course will appear here, and your students can click on register to register for your course. Okay, you can try this, and if you have any doubt, you can put kids and us. So in this way, you will find that your course will appear this portal, and you can share this link with your students. Okay, try this, and you'll find your course will appear here, and you can students can register for your course by clicking on this button and filling all these details. Okay, so this was about how to create your MOOC using the Studio platform. Now let's also understand about this dashboard. So if you click on this MOOC, now we go back to this. Now since we have already registered, now so I will have to click on this login, and I will have to use my username and password. So the dashboard, after you login, you will find that you can see that how many users have registered for a course, how many courses you have created. This is the domain where it will show you the domain name which you will share with your students. And this was a mistake which I have done. Like you will have to select this. I have selected Amazon underscore college. You have to select this RC2 from that page, and then your course will be here, and the number will be here. Okay, so you can have you can create many courses by again clicking on that Studio website, and As you can see, this also can have another course here. Okay. And going back, platforms, you can see this. So this is the platform where this is the platform where the course is there. So home studio to where you can you can create your own course. This is the platform which you have to share with your students. Billing is we have provided few things like you can have your course for 15 days. You don't have to pay anything, but if you want no, for a longer course, you have to pay because there are some server charges and other logistics are there. So you will have to pay if you want to go for longer courses. Otherwise, for 15 days, these courses you can create the courses to be free for 15 days. Okay, want to have more courses you want to contact, and you can click on this link, and you can also log in. Here also you can see the themes can also change. Black theme and this day theme and the night theme. Where you can find this very name here. So you can. This is the dashboard here. All the informations are there. You can find all the informations and other details on this platform. In Studio, you can create your course, and this domain is the thing which you will have to share with your students. So these are the things you can influence. Just try this and try to create any course, and if you find any difficulty, then you can write me to us, or you can also use the chat box to show you ask your questions. So that's it for this session. Thank you. Thank you.